Hi, Baggy. Come inside. Bunny, bunny. We are ready. We are ready. We are ready. So, hello, Makla.
Hi, Auntie.
Hi. How are you?
We are fine.
Very good. So today I'm going to teach you something very important. Tell me the names of the girls who are there, girls and boys.
Only girls, Auntie.
Only girls. Okay, who are the girls? Shilpa, hi.
Shilpa. Hi, Auntie. Soumya.
Soumya, hi Soumya. Swarna, hi.
Hi, Auntie.
And who's next to Swarna?
Mamata.
Huh?
Mamata.
Mamata. Guys, you girls are growing up really. Okay, shall we start the class? Yeah? So I'm going to teach you something today. Before the camera turns, I'll tell you what we are going to make. Today we are going to make sambar powder. We make sambar, but we should know how the sambar powder is made. Yeah? Would you like to learn sambar powder? Oh, very good. You can even do business afterwards. You can make sambar powder, put your label, Swarna sambar powder, and sell it. Yeah? Okay. This is my masala box. All of you girls go to English medium school, isn't it?
Yes, Auntie.
Yes. Good. So I will speak in English only, okay? Because I am more comfortable in English and you know English, okay? So this is my masala box. Can you see my masala box?
Yes, Auntie.
Yeah. So this is a masala box and I have so many things in it and these are all called herbs and spices. And we will start with what we have in the center. You know what this is? Turmeric powder. Excellent. Very smart. Turmeric powder. And you know what this is? English al gotilva? Okay, it is called mustard in English. Mustard. Okay? Saasivege mustard antare. You should learn these things, okay, now. English medium high school girls should know all these things now. So this is mustard. And what is this?
Jeera.
Jeera. Very good. Do you know the English name for jeera? It is called cumin. Cumin. C-U-M-I-N. Cumin. Okay. Then we have, you know what this is? Try.
Dhanya.
Yes, dhanya. Dhanya seeds are called coriander. Then the next we have here is?
Pepper.
Very good. Black pepper. That's nice. And then we have, what is this? Idu menthya. Menthya is also called methi in Hindi and in English it is called fenugreek. Fenugreek. Okay? You try to remember these words. If you can't remember, then we will do one exercise today. We will try to write down all this in the language you know and then we'll look up a translation online. Okay? Okay, you ask Sulochana auntie to look up for the English name of these spices. Okay? Okay, that's your homework. Along with the recipe, you have to write down the recipe. So these are spices and herbs in my masala. Now, we also have, India is very fond of chilies. No? We like spicy food. Khara, we want khara, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, everybody wants spicy. Khara means spicy and these are chilies. These are called badgi chilies. Have you heard of badgi?
Yes, Auntie.
Yes, you would have heard of badgi. Badgi is grown in our state. There is a place called Badgi. They grow these chilies there. They're very long chilies. They have very good taste flavor, and they have a very beautiful red color when we cook with it. So we are going to use many of these ingredients with the chili and some curry leaves. I plucked them from my garden before we started. This plant has come from Caronia Mane. Shall we go in the kitchen and make the powder? Sambar puri. Yes?
Yes, auntie.
Let's go. So this is my kitchen. So here I have a wok. Bandli antarala. Bandlige English alli wok antare. W-O-K. Wok. Okay. There's a flame going under this wok. So it could have some moisture. So we have to roast it lightly, gently, and drive away the moisture. Once the moisture is gone, the seeds will become very crisp and it will give a great aroma. Aroma means, aroma andre? Suvasane. Suvasane. Huh? Aroma. So you can't say smell. Smell is for anything. Dirty smell, good smell, all smell. But aroma is always used for a very good, pleasant, appetizing smell. Okay, so now we are going to make sambar powder, and for the sambar powder, I'm going to first take some dhania seeds. You see dhania?
Okay.
And our dhania will form the main portion of this powder. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's say 4 spoons. 4. This is a tablespoon. Tablespoon. You have a teaspoon, which is smaller than this, and you have a tablespoon that is this. It is a standard spoon anywhere in the world. So if anybody says tablespoon, you should read. You get these in the market, and there is a marking over here that says TBSP, which means it's a tablespoon. So I have used how many tablespoons for dhania?
4 spoons.
Very good. Now, because all the spices have different weight and texture, and they are different, and they don't roast at the same time. So we have to roast them one by one because we want our powder to be perfect. So now my flame is on very low, medium to low. Say medium to low, and I'm going to roast these seeds a bit. Why I'm touching it is because I want to feel how hot the seeds are. You don't try this at home. Don't try it in the beginning. When you become a good cook, then you can do all this circus, okay? So now we can already start. We already smell the dhania. It's a great aroma. Gammanta ide vasne. Very nice. In your kitchen, your Chandri auntie makes big sambar, no? Buckets of sambar powder. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Right? Do you know? She makes a lot of sambar powder. But you please come and check. Check the seeds. Such a dark color aito, alva? Now it's enough. Now it's nicely roasted. So we will take it off and we will add it to the dhania seeds. Okay? And then we will use jeera, jeerge, jeera, or cumin. So I put 1 spoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and we'll quickly give it a roast. So now the cumin is ready. Now we put it in this. As you see, the wok is very, very hot. When you cook, you have to be very careful, otherwise you will get tattoos like me. 1 tattoo here, some tattoos here, because I'm very bad in the kitchen. I keep touching everything hot. So now we're going to put in some pepper. And we'll go again. Pepper will happen very fast. It doesn't need too much heating. Very quick pepper. Quick. And we are done. And we will add it here. Next. So remember what I have added because I'm going to ask you, okay? 1 tablespoon of mustard seed. Mustard andre nimge barlillalla hesru English alli. Mustard is called mustard andre ಸಾಸಿವೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ, ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಏನೇನ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ? 4 ಭಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್? 4 ಭಾಗ
ಧನಿಯಾ,
1 ಭಾಗ ಕ್ಯೂಮಿನ್, 1 ಭಾಗ ಫೆನುಗ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೆಂತ್ಯ, 1 ಭಾಗ
ಮಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್,
1 ಭಾಗ
ಮಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್,
ಇದು
ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? 5 ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಬರೋದು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಚಿಲೀಸ್. ಚಿಲೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತಿ ಬಿಸಿಲಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, so hot, you can dry it in the sun nicely for 3-4 hours and the chili will become very crisp and dry. Then you don't have to put it in the wok. Okay, so you must plan the day you are going to make sambar powder. If it's a hot day, you put your chilies out at 10 o'clock in the morning and bring them in by 2 o'clock, and then you can start roasting your other spices. Okay, you understood?
Yes, aunty.
So if you have any doubts, you can stop me and you can ask me. I like questions and I like to answer them. Okay. Okay, so the chilies are nice. Now they have become nice and crisp. So I'm going to take out the chilies and look how colorful our sambar powder ingredients look. They look so nice. No? Together look so beautiful. One last thing I have, and I like to put curry leaves. These curry leaves are dried. They are dried. They are washed first. Always wash your curry leaves. Never use anything green that is not washed. So I wash them and then I put them under the fan on the table to dry them. Now when I roast them, they will become crisp and nice. It will take a little longer time. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ time ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. It will take little longer. In the meanwhile, can you tell me what sambar you had today for lunch?
We had curd rice.
Curd rice. So you see the leaves, how dry they are. I've turned off the flame. I've put off the flame. No more flame because it's very hot. And you see the leaves? See? Can you hear? They have become crisp. Yes, they have become crisp. So now I'm going to put this also on top of this. Right? Looks so pretty, no? We are going to blend it. Mixi nalli haki idanna pudi ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಈಗ. Okay?
Okay, aunty.
Okay. I'll just break the chilies because they are so big. So I'll just break them. You must be sure that your blender is very dry. You cannot use wet grinder for this, okay? When you make a powder, you must make sure that your blender is very dry. You put it in the sun and any water that is in the blade or under the blade will evaporate in the sun. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
Aunty.
Why did we roast the spices? To dry out the all the moisture ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗಿಯಕ್ಕೆ. Okay? Now, if you put the chilies first in your blender and you blend it, just break down the chilies, then the powder, it's easier to powder. Otherwise, the chilies keep running. The whole chili will keep running inside. So I've broken it and I will just run it. Just pulsed it. Pulse andre just start and stop. Start and stop. Okay? I've broken the chili. ಇವಾಗ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಪುಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ Don't have to make it very, very fine. Powder ಆಯ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗಾಯ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಪುಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಚ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಪೌಡರ್ ಕೊಡು ಆ ಪೌಡರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು Shall we sit there on the table and they will tell us?
Okay.
Okay, come. So now tell me, how did we start? What did we put to make the sambar powder? One by one, tell me from the beginning.
Dhania seeds.
First.
Dhania seeds.
Dhania. How much dhania we put?
4
Tablespoons. Yeah, we put 4 tablespoons. You can put 4 teaspoons. You can put 4 anything, any measure, any cup, any measure you want. 4 of it, 4 portions. So we'll say 4 portions of dhania. Then next one, second one. Menthia. How many portions?
1 spoon.
1 portion. Yes. Then third one. Jeera. 1 portion. Then mustard 1 portion. And
Pepper.
black pepper portion. Okay. And then what did we put? 2 more things on the side. Next we put.
Chili.
Yes, we put chili. We put badgi chili. We put. You can also mix guntur and badgi. If you like too much khara, you can put some guntur because guntur is very khara, very spicy. So you can put some guntur and some badgi. It will be spicy and it will be colorful and tasty. So sometimes we do that, but we don't like very spicy. So we put only badgi. And then
Curry leaves.
curry. Did I put any oil?
No.
No oil. Did I put any water?
No.
Driving the water out, right? So now all the seeds are dry. Then what did we do?
Mixie.
We a grinder or a blender or a mixie. Okay, you can say anything, but usually people call it a blender. Blender, when you put 2 things together and you mix it nicely, you are blending so that everything mixes very nicely. Okay, so you can call it a blender or a grinder. It's a dry grinder. That what you saw, my mixing, my blender was a dry one. So always keep the dry one separate for your masalas. If you make chutney one day and then you use the same thing for grinder, something wet will remain under the blades. So it is screwed on inside, you know, it is screwed. The blades are screwed. So some moisture can be inside and it can spoil your powder. And somebody this side ran away. Why? Who is there? Mamta. Where are you? I miss you when I don't see you.
I'm listening.
Okay, good. Okay. That's fine. Okay, so then we put the chilies in first, right? I broke the chilies and then we ran the blender and we broke it a little bit. What did we do? We pulsed it. You saw the pulse.
Yes,
Your machine, almost machines have pulse. So you pulse the chilies and then you add all the other roasted spices and herbs. Okay? Herbs and spices, you must use these terms. Spices andre ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಖಾರ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಪೈಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಖಾರ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಾವು ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಗೆ, ಕಷಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So those are herbs. But herbs and spices are the mixture that go into our spice powders. Now you understood?
Yes, aunty.
You will make some powder sometime on your own? Yeah? You write, there is a recipe book at Karunya Mane. Every class writes their recipe. You have to write the name of the recipe and you have to write first the ingredients. Ingredients andre samagri. You have to write in English, please. I want to see the right words. You must use the right words. Because after you go, there will be other children. They will see that recipe they want to make, or you can copy it and you can keep it in your home. When you grow big, when you have your own house, like Anu Auntie, you will be cooking in the kitchen. Then you will call Anu Auntie and you will make sambar for Anu Auntie. Yeah? You will invite me, no? To your house? I'll come. Okay, kids, did you enjoy this class?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, we'll do more classes. Do you want more classes?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, we'll do. Now, bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, love you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.